Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. My name's Matty Collins, and in today's video I am moving in China from one apartment to another. It's going to be my new spot, but also a new YouTube studio that we're going to set up. Today I'm vlogging on the Sony ZV-1 and the Rode NTG mic. So yeah, come along. This is my first ever vlog with the Sony ZV-1, and right now we got to go pick up my moving scooter. I'll show you what it's about in a second. Saying goodbye to the old studio. We're here with my moving scooter, so let's take a quick tour of it. This is the beast that I'm using for today, and this is just my everyday scooter. So side note, I am using the ND filter, the built-in ND filter on this Sony ZV-1 because it is like 32 degrees today. I'm in the bright sun, and yeah, I just feel like we're gonna get a better picture out of this. The other thing you should know is that we're using picture profile 10. Here we go. Okay, yeah, it's time. We gotta get rid of all this garbage in here. What's up, buddy? So here we are at the new place. This is my agent, my beautiful agent, and this is the new spot. All right, here we are at the new spot, and I'm super excited to get everything moved in, the bedroom, and I have to show you guys this really quick. Looks like a second bedroom. However, there is just a random toilet and a sink with a shower curtain. Okay, pro tip, I made a mistake. When you're vlogging on the go, it's always a good idea to use auto ISO. And for some of the shots already, I wasn't using auto ISO. So not the end of the world. We'll try and fix it in post, but that's pretty much it. Right now we're heading back to my original place. We're gonna pack up some things and do the first load to the new place. I think the big problem with this move is that I realized I have way too much video equipment and I've been buying way too much lately, but that's okay because it's gonna make the YouTube studio that much better.
Live here?
Yeah, I live here. I live 1 year.
Oh,
Nah, long time. Your English, very good. Yeah. So this baby is all packed up. We're gonna start moving some stuff to the other place. And this scooter is like way better than I thought, actually. It's gonna be just minty. All right, thankfully, I think that was the hardest part, but I'll show you really quick. Because it's so heavy now, I tried getting it up this ramp, and every time it would gas out and then kill the battery, and then it would roll all the way back, and it was kind of sketchy because one time I rolled back and I smashed this pipe here. One more thing is I have a spider friend right where the accelerator is, and I hate spiders. Yeah. 没关系，没关系。对，可以，谢谢你。很好。That was really nice of this man. He came and asked. He saw that I was having trouble, so he came and asked if he could help me move it. But I think I'm good now. We're in the home stretch. I love China so much. I pull up here and the guards right away were like, "Oh, welcome. Why don't I help you move in?" And started grabbing some bags.
Hello.
Hey, ni hao. Ponyo. Okay guys, I'm sweating bullets right now, but yeah, I'm about to set up some lighting and just a few things. I got a cleaner coming tonight to do all the floors and that, and this is pretty much it. This is gonna be the studio. Hey, you know what they say, it's not a move unless there's bubble wrap, baby. Oh barely any equipment here, but I do feel like the studio's coming together. All right, as you guys can probably tell, I stopped using the Rode NTG mic because it's just too much with moving. It's big and I have to plug in the mic every time. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We're down to probably 2 more loads at the place and it's looking pretty good. Just gonna move some lamps and stuff, but I am hungry. So what are we cooking up? We got some chili here and we got some rice. Second move, the place is coming together really nice, so I just had to give you an update. Got the PS4 ripping, my light stand, my main desk area, and come on now, baby. I'm gonna get a pop a shot. All right, guys, I'm gonna turn in for the day. I will show you when the studio is finalized and my move's done for real next week. But that's gonna wrap up the vlog. That was my first ever vlog with the Sony ZV-1 and that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed what you saw today, please leave a like and we'll see you in the next one. That's it, bye for now, peace.